Mammalian circulatory system is a double circulatory system. Another one, a closed system. Why it is named as a double circulatory system? Because blood transport through the heart 2 times before completing one circuit, one circle. Why it is closed system? Because blood is present, transport inside the blood vessels and the heart. The blood is not leaked out. ඒක close වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. එළියට එන්නේ අපේ body එකේ කොහෙවත් එළියේ no blood. Blood always present in the blood capillaries, arteries, veins and inside the heart. It's not leaked out. So if we can cut our body without damaging the blood vessels, we can't see blood. Because it's a separate system in the body. If we can take it out as a system, right? It's an organ system, right? Human circulatory system, right? So then it's right. Double circulatory system, closed system. And the human circulatory system contains 3 major components. Pump is the heart. Pathway created by the blood vessels. Medium is the blood. Heart, blood vessels and blood. And there we explain about the human heart. The position of the heart. The human heart is located where? Where the heart? Huh? This side. So there's a specific the position. Then how you explain the location of the human heart? කාටරි කොහොමද කියන්නේ අපේ heart එක තියෙන්නේ මෙන්න මෙතනයි කියලා හරියට? I explained it. In the first the heart is present in it is in the chest or thoracic cavity. Left side එකේ කොහරි වෙන්න පුළුවන් but in between the lungs. ඒත් මෙහෙ වෙන්න පුළුවන් but just above the diaphragm. Understood? That is the specific location of the human heart. So likewise, there are specific locations for each and every organ in the body. Okay, we don't need to remember all the things, right? Then the human heart is a muscular structure. It is made up of cardiac muscle. Human heart is made up of cardiac muscle, right? It has 4 chambers, 2 atria, 2 ventricles. Right side, left side. Right and left side is separated by a septum. Okay. The deoxygenated blood always present at the right side. Oxygenated blood present at the left side. Superior vena cava, inferior vena cava are connected to the right atrium. And pulmonary artery is starting from the right ventricle. Pulmonary veins are connected to the left atrium. Aorta is starting from the left ventricle. To separate the right atrium and right ventricle, there is a valve. That valve is the tricuspid valve. To separate the left atrium and the left ventricle, again there is a valve. That is bicuspid valve or mitral valve. Pulmonary artery and aorta also contain valves. What are those valves? At the starting point of this pulmonary artery and the aorta, semilunar valves. In the aorta, that is called aortic valve. In pulmonary artery, that is called pulmonary valve. Okay, right. So that is the human heart structure, right? So then deoxygenated blood transport through the superior and inferior vena cava into the right atrium. By opening the tricuspid valve, that blood sent to the right ventricle. By contracting the right ventricle, that blood sent to the lungs via the pulmonary artery. In the pulmonary artery, the lungs oxygenate the blood. Then oxygenated blood transported by the pulmonary veins to the the left atrium. Then by opening the bicuspid valve, oxygenated blood gets into the left ventricle. By contracting the left ventricle, that blood sends to the aorta. Aorta transport that blood throughout the body. Okay. So then when the aorta is passing through the body, it's carrying the blood through the body. This aorta get branch. Make a branch, aorta. Aorta get branch. One branch send the oxygenated blood to the liver. That branch is named as hepatic artery. Then again this aorta branch into two branches and send the oxygenated blood to the kidneys. Those are called renal arteries. Are those? Renal arteries. So likewise, the aorta get branch and send the blood to the other organs separately. Hepatic artery, renal artery, they are the ones which carry oxygenated blood into the liver and the kidneys. Right. So that is how the heart pumps the blood throughout the body. Then I explained about the blood vessels, the different blood vessels. There are three types of blood vessels in the human: arteries, veins, and capillaries. And also the adaptations of these blood vessels. Arteries have thick wall, narrow lumen, elastic wall. This to withstand the pressure, high pressure. Veins have thin wall, wider lumen, and valves present. No much pressure inside the veins. Other one, capillaries are very thin. They have only single cell thick wall. That is to support the diffusion process, exchange of materials. And it creates networks surrounding the organs. That is to increase the surface area. Right. And then I explained about the human blood. Human blood, two major components present in human blood: cells and plasma. There are three types of blood cells: red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets. Red blood cells are adapted to carry oxygen in the body. Red blood cells adapted to carry oxygen in the body. So then the adaptations in the red blood cell are biconcave shape, absent of nucleus, have hemoglobin, and elastic wall, membrane, elastic membrane. That one. And when it contains hemoglobin. When hemoglobin fixes it produces oxyhemoglobin. Then it transports oxygen to the body. White blood cells important to form the immunity in the body. There are two types: phagocytes, lymphocytes. Can you remember? Phagocytes and lymphocytes. Phagocytes support the phagocytosis. That is to kill the bacteria. When we are infected by a bacteria, that bacteria engulf and take into the cell and destroy. That is what we call phagocytosis. And lymphocytes are supporting to produce antibodies. When we have viral infection, these lymphocytes produce antibodies against the virus and then support to destroy that virus. Okay, that is one. So then platelets. Platelets are supporting blood clotting. So if you can remember, these platelets contains a particular substance called thromboplastin. When there's a little wound, when the platelets are passing in that area, the platelets breaks and released from the blood. Blood plasma contains a particular protein. Prothrombin. Prothrombin converting to thrombin by thromboplastin. So then this thrombin converts fibrinogen into fibrin. Fibrin means it is a fiber. Fibrin is a type of fibers. So these fibers then support the blood prophylaxis. Okay, right. So those are the important the features of the human circulatory system.